Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So here's another concept using the Dollar Tree items. And this is a spa set from Dollar Tree. And I also found these body washes with some bath salts as well. And I thought that these were really pretty in here. So I used the galvanized container for this and put in our vanilla bean set with the body lotion, the bath salts, foot scrub, and hand scrub, as well as the soap on the back. And I put a vanilla loofah in the front. I decorated this with the Christmas trees or the little pine needles there that kind of match the packaging. And I think that this is a really cute concept. I put one of my stickers in the front of this can that says Merry and Bright. And I think that this turned out really, really cute. And then I topped it with this beautiful blue bow that matches the packaging too. So I think this is a really cute Christmas gift. It says, may your day be merry and bright. So please tell me what you think about this gift down in the comments. If you are new to my channel, thank you for coming to the channel. If you are returning, thank you for returning. For those of you that are new, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Everyone be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.